Hello friends, this is Foggy Gage with another video and another thrift shop find. This beauty, this relic ancient machine is from the Soviet era. The guy who sold it to me actually thought this was a welding machine. I bought it for basically nothing. I haven't plugged it in yet. I'm hoping this works, this machine, just for the sentimental value of it. I'm not planning to use it in any way. Maybe I can restore it to its old glory. As you can see, it is really dirty. I haven't even cleaned it yet. But what I did was I looked up the power inputs and I improvised this plug. Let's hope nothing explodes when I plug it in. Okay. Do we have magic smoke? No, we don't. Good news. Let's flip it on. Oh, nice. We have scale lighting, the grid. Let me see. Oh, it's not so stable because it's a vacuum tube based oscilloscope. Let me try to scale it up. Oh, this is the vertical sweep or the vertical position amplifier. It says y-axis amplifier. This is the sweep. Amazing. They just don't make things like they used to. Imagine this thing was sitting collecting dust for the past, I don't know, 10 years. Imagine being in this rough of a condition and still working. Brightness. Amazing. Let me know what you guys think. This, by the way, this is an oscillograph C1-49 from the USSR. If you want an in-depth video on this oscilloscope, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to make a longer video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe please. Bye.